Hello and welcome to Cake. Today we're making a sponge cake as it's typically made in Germany. Let's go to the ingredients. I use 6 eggs, 270 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a dash of salt, 230 grams of sugar and 1 pack of vanilla sugar. Alternatively, you could use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract but add that in at the very final stage. As you can tell, there's no oil or butter in this cake. I begin by whisking the eggs for a minute before adding sugar and vanilla sugar. Then this mixture is beaten in a stand mixer for 15 minutes until it's tripled in volume. Meanwhile, I sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together. Then, little by little, I gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet. This recipe makes enough for a cake with 4 thick layers, or alternatively you could slice them even further to create 6 thin layers of each 8 inches or about 20 centimeters in diameter. I'm splitting this batter between 2 cake pans of each 8 inches because that's just going to reduce my baking time down to 18 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And this is what they look like when they're done. I'm just going to let them cool down for about 5 minutes in the cake pan before I then remove them. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching and see you next time.